Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make the red Malabar spinach seedlings germinate faster. So these are the red Malabar spinach seeds that I have from last year. Now these red Malabar spinach, generally these plants grow very slow. Sometimes it takes even months for these to go, like couple of months or 3 months to grow from the seed to seedlings if you just put the seedlings in the soil. Now for this I am using something called a paper towel method to germinate the seedlings. So the first step we are going to do is, so these are the red Malabar spinach seeds, so we are going to soak these seeds for a day. So what that does is, the first thing is it hydrates the seeds for it to grow faster, and second thing, it makes the seeds swell, so the outer covering, which is generally the pulp of that seed, that pulp we can remove, and that will help the seed to germinate faster. So I am soaking these seeds in kind of warm water, and I will leave it overnight, leave it for a day before I come back and show you what to do next. So you can see after around half a day or a day of soaking, the seed has swollen up, it's hydrated, and you see the outside cover of that seed is now soft. And for faster germination, we should remove this cover so that the seed can germinate freely. So here we press it a bit and remove these outside cover. We don't have to completely remove the cover. So once you do this, just wash your hand, and then we will proceed to step 3. So for paper towel method, I have taken a small paper towel and put the seeds, and you can put other seeds here, and then you should wrap it. So I generally don't wrap it completely, I wrap it like this so that it's easier for me to open, so that I know one is a short side and one is a longer side. And then once you fold it on top of the seeds, then you should put some water on top of it and make the paper towel wet. So once the paper towel is wet, and this is some moisture the seed gets while germinating, and I will put some more seeds also, and then you generally take a zip pouch and put it inside. I have already put few seeds of red Malabar spinach in the paper towel and put it inside a zip bag, and now I am going to put this zip bag on either on top of a refrigerator or inside the oven under your stove. These seeds needs a warmer temperature, and these are few spaces where you can get some temperature for this seed to germinate properly. Another point is you should make sure that at least once every 3 days you should change the paper towel, and make sure that there is no fungus. So I will keep it on top of my refrigerator and check the progress. Also, if you want to see the paper towel method of germinating other seeds, you can see my other video on the paper towel method for germinating seeds, and I will post a link in the description column also. So this is day 5 after I started putting the soaked seed inside the paper towel. You can see that there are 3 of these seeds that have already germinated, and if we wait some more, these 3 will also start germinating. But at this point I will take these 3 seeds and put it on a small pot where it will grow. Now make sure that you don't put all of them into one pot, because these seeds are very sensitive with respect to the root. so you can just transplant it very gently without disturbing the root system. So I will put it inside the pot and not in the soil directly, because our temperature still doesn't permit the seeds to be put outside. And these red Malabar spinach, they need a really good temperature, somewhere at least upward of like 60 Fahrenheit at night. So I will wait for some more days, and until that time I'll put it in the pot and keep it inside the home where the temperature is well regulated. So I put these red Malabar spinach germinated seeds inside individual pots, and I will cover this up, and then will water this and wait for these to grow into seedlings. And once they are grown into seedlings, I can transfer them individually without as much affecting their root system. It's less than a month until the seedlings will grow and start developing to a tree, instead of waiting for around 2 to 3 months for the seedlings to grow in some cases. So this is how you can make the seedlings for red Malabar spinach to grow faster and quicker. So thanks for watching the video, and let me know in the comments if you got any success using this method. Thank you.